Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I know this package is probably really super close up. I'll cover the addresses. This is a birthday gift from Pumpkin's Nail Station in Princess Nails, Diana. This is the last of my gifts that I have to open. I've waited and put this one off until the following morning. I'm going to film this and then throw it up. I do know what it is because of the sticker on the bag, on the package, so, and I'm so grateful. So, give me a second, I'm going to cut this open and I will be right back. And I believe we are back now. There is this envelope inside of here, and it says, Happy Birthday, Cherie. This is a gift from Pumpkin and Princess Nails, Diana. And there's a little note here down here to Diana that I have to carry something out. Oh, look, it's got a bow. Oh. And I love the purple bubble wrap. Oh, I need my scissors again. Can anybody guess yet what this is? Before I take it out, can anybody guess? Hurry, leave me a comment down below and guess. I'm so excited. So very excited. Sorry about that. Oh, I need to save this bubble wrap. Can anybody guess? Thank you, girls. Thank you so very, very much. Oh, I need the scissors again. Gotta cut this. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh. Ow. Okay. Remove the bubble wrap. It is a flexi hand, everybody. I'm sorry. I didn't think I was going to cry because I knew what it was once I seen the package. Thank you, girls. Thank you so very much. Oh, let's open this baby up. Oh, goodness me. It comes in this beautiful purple little baggie that I'll definitely be keeping. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to work this just yet. Oh, it comes with a couple fake nails. So that is really cool. Well, this is much bigger than I thought. Okay. Imagine, let me see, how do I get this to stay up? Well, that's not it. Oh, this one, I see. Gotta turn this knob down here. There we go. Let's see. Oh, now that I can see again. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm so grateful. You ladies have definitely really touched my life. I want you to know that. Well, this is my flexi hand. Oh, I'm nervous. There are some nails on here that came with it. There was a few also that came in a little pouch. Like, I don't know if there's 5 in here, but it comes with a few. I need to get a little tile to stick onto, so so she won't move around. The Fluoxetine can be used for acrylic tips, acrylic nail sculpture, gel nails, fiberglass silk nail wraps, French manicures, airbrushing, flat 3D nail art, filing, and electric drill fill-ins. That'd be funny. Manicure filing and shaping, and much more. This is just so extravagant. It just blows my mind. So yeah, I wanted to share this with everybody. I have my hand now. I can practice and do things and save on my nails. I'm really blown away. I'm blown away by this and everybody's love and support on Instagram and YouTube. I didn't know that I touched that many people's lives. I thought thank everybody. I just want to say thank you. I'm going to take my blubbering stuff off here for now. I showed my hand. I'm sure I could have showed you many other things, but I'll just keep crying. Most of you know, because most of you already have these. I'm probably one of the very last few to get one, but I'm so grateful. This is just so awesome. Thank you again. Have a blessed day.